Alright guys, today we have this brand new off the lot 2025 Honda Odyssey. We're going to be changing out everything that we can on this vehicle. It's a total of 10 locations, which is 10 pairs of bulbs that we could change on this vehicle. We're doing the front side marker, the front turn signal. We're doing the map lights, the door lights, the dome lights, the cargo lights. In the back end, we're doing the brake light, the rear turn signal, and the reverse light. It's a big upgrade compared to the factory incandescent bulbs. Very nice package. We're going to show you guys step by step how to do each of the installs. This whole install, if you're on the slower side, will take you an hour. It's very simple. Let's jump into the install. All right guys, so now we're inside for the interior lights. We already have one side done. You guys could check those out. And then we have the factory incandescent halogens on this side over here. So for this vehicle, you guys have two pairs you need 4 bulbs for the dome light. So that's 2 pairs, boom, 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 boom. And then of course you got the top cargo for the back. But for dome light category, you need 2 pairs, and then you need 1 pair for the map light, but we'll talk about that afterwards. That's up in the front. So to do these is the same steps, is not anything different. You're gonna need a flathead or any thin pop-off tool. Simply guide in, okay, you just simply pry up. That's simple. You can do it with your fingers. Take the bulb out. If it's been on for a while, just be careful, it might be hot. If it just came on, then you should be fine. From there, you're gonna take your L-T10 and just insert in. This is a white color. So for this vehicle, since the majority are just T10s, you could do blue, green, purple, pink, whatever color you wish to do for your interior, you can. It's up to you, it's your vehicle. But again, we just like it bright, so we're gonna do white. For this, we're just gonna insert in, make sure you guide it in, that's it. It's the same steps for all 4 of these dome lights, all right? So once it's in, simply guide the tabs back in, press, press. Make sure there's something to go and guide. Remove it out again. There you go. Still works. Big upgrade compared to the factory incandescents. And now we're gonna do the front side with the same exact steps, if you guys wanna see that. All right guys, so now we're gonna do the map light. As you guys could tell, we have 1 LED already, nice and bright. And then we have your regular incandescent dual yellow factory bulbs. So let's remove this. Okay, any flathead or any pop remover kit that you have, if it's flat, better. And you're just gonna pop it out that easy. Again, we insert in, we just turn it, and it just pops off. From there, you can remove this with your hand, or if you have a tool, you can. This bulb is quite hot, so I'm just gonna wedge it out with the flathead here. We're gonna get our L-T10. Again, this is the white color. If you guys wish to do your whole interior on this Odyssey, red, blue, green, purple, you can. It is an option. We do offer those colors and this bulb size. Once you get your T10, you're just gonna simply insert in, press in. That's simple. We're gonna get back the cover. You wanna make sure these 2 guys are in. So it actually has 4 guides, but they all just kind of pop into place. That's it. Maybe put it on, I'm blind right now, sorry. I can't see it. There we go. So you could mind everything still works. Or you can leave it on the door and everything works fine. All right guys, so now we're doing the last piece of this interior lights. It's quite a bit of bulbs, but it's all fairly easy. The last thing is the door light. It's using a T10. We already did the other side, but for this, you want to get any flathead, just wedge it in. These have a pretty nice gap, and you just want to pop it off. Comes off fairly easy. From there, just grip the bulb. Has good leverage, and you want to get your LED, and you want to just pop in. That's simple. This is how you put the cover back on. Actually, I'm doing it the wrong way. So always first, this leverage here, and then these just kind of guide in and pop in. That's simple, guys. You guys will be done within a minute. All right, guys. So now, pretty much we started from the rear end. Now we're working our way to the front. So this is the last thing we're doing. We're gonna be doing the rear side marker, and we're also gonna be doing the turn signal, which is up on top here. So it's a very simple process. You guys can see right now it's a very dim bulb. Even the side marker, if I turn it on, you guys can see it's a very dim bulb. It's not that bright. So it is something that we're gonna be upgrading and just showing you guys the big upgrade our bulbs do. So first thing you wanna do is remove the Phillips screws that are here on the side. From my understanding, it's just this one that you have to remove. And then you can just simply pull out. They say this one is not connected, but I'm just gonna loosen it just a little bit. I believe that does pinch that black trim. From there, you wanna get a flathead or with your fingers and just simply pry out the inner well. So just work your way to the top. Again, hopefully these you didn't have to remove, but I do believe you do have to. So I'm gonna remove this whole thing completely. I believe that should give us room to pop this up. You see it does have to be removed, so those people that are saying that didn't have to, you do have to. There is a pop clip up here on the top. I'm also gonna push this in. These are push and tie, these are fun. And then this whole thing just pops out. These are easy to work with. So once you pull that back, you have a lot of room. You have your turn signal right, or your side marker right here. Simply turn that clockwise, take the bulb out, get your new L2 T10, sorry, L-T10A. And you just want to pop this in. From there, you're gonna push, you're gonna put it back in to this housing. Once in, you just simply lock it. Very simple. But the turn signal is this in there. So is this one that you see the blue wire? The socket, you just simply turn it counterclockwise and pull out. That'll be the bulb there. If it's been on, be careful, it might be hot. You're gonna wanna get your T37443A. You're gonna take your bulb and you're just gonna pop it into the housing and see how bright that is. From there, you're gonna go back into your sockets and lock in clockwise. That's simple. Once you're done, make sure you put everything back in, everything you removed. You wanna put it back in. The first thing I like doing is putting back to the original clip. Pretty much the last step I did will be the first step I take to put it back together. So let me do this first and then we'll show you guys the performance. Alright guys, so we're done with the install. As you guys can tell, it was a simple process, a little bit of testing that we did. So you guys are aware, before you guys go out and buy the package, which we will make sure it is correct on the website, but if you want to do front and rear turn signals, you have to go with our T3 series for both front and rear. That is T3-7443A. It's amber color. People will say, hey, I want a switchback for the front. Unfortunately, you can't run a switchback because these vehicles don't have a dual function turn signal, which is a dim and a bright. This here, this strip, that's your factory parking light. So normally this setting will be on the turn signal, or fortunately it is on your headlights, a nice setup. So the turn signals are just turn signals. That bulb will never come on at all times. It's just gonna flash when you put your turn signal. If you want to do just the rear and leave the front halogen, you could run our L2 for the rear. They'll work fine. Amber color L2. If you want to do both front and rear, T3 only. It's the only option. So the bulbs we use, we changed out with the turn signal. The side marker, we're using our T10 ambers. The whole interior from our map light, the door lights, which are right on the side that light up the actual floor, the four domes, those are all using our L-T10, which is the white color. For those, if you do wish to run a different color, you guys can. You guys can do blue, green, any color you guys like. It's your option. The back cargo area lights up the actual cargo luggage compartment. That is an L-31mm. Then we jump in the rear. Again, we use our T3-7443 ambers for the turn signal. We use our L2-7443 red for the brake light, and then for the reverse lights, we use our L2-7443. That's a plain white color. It's a very big upgrade compared to the factory reverse lights. So that pretty much is the whole install. It's a nice upgrade compared to the stock. So if you guys have any questions, any concerns, give us a call. We'll guide you step by step, and hopefully this video helps you with the install. Again, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe. It helps us out. Thank you. Bye-bye.